Rutherford County, Jefferson, New York. High wind warning in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. What? Southwest winds 30 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Jefferson County. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Strong winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Shallow-rooted trees in the saturated ground will be more susceptible to falling. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.